Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the WonderWash and the BLACK+DECKER. Today, we'll dive into their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's start by looking at the WonderWash, a manual and eco-friendly option perfect for small spaces. The WonderWash is a manual washing machine that requires hand cranking, making it a non-electric option ideal for eco-conscious users. In contrast, the BLACK+DECKER is an automatic electric washer, offering convenience and ease of use with its multiple wash cycles. This fundamental difference in operation is crucial for potential buyers to consider based on their lifestyle and washing needs. When it comes to capacity, the WonderWash can handle up to 5 pounds of laundry, which is suitable for small loads. On the other hand, the BLACK+DECKER offers a larger capacity of 6.6 pounds, making it more suitable for families or those with larger laundry needs. This difference can significantly impact how often you need to do laundry, especially in a busy household. Price is another important factor to consider. The WonderWash is priced at a very affordable $69, making it accessible for those on a budget. In contrast, the BLACK+DECKER comes at a higher price point of $249. While the BLACK+DECKER offers more features and convenience, the cost difference is significant and may influence your decision based on your financial situation. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and BLACK+DECKER have their unique advantages and drawbacks. If you prioritize portability, low cost, and eco-friendliness, the WonderWash is an excellent choice. However, if you prefer convenience, larger capacity, and automated operation, the BLACK+DECKER is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.